Hello, Logan Lyons. It's me, Mr.Bell. Hi, I want to start a series of developing fine motor skills, starting with cutting. Yeah, that's right, cutting with scissors. I want to give a little demonstration on how to use scissors and how to better develop your child's motor skills using various lines, shapes, and other creative ways to help better define the motor skills. So let's take a look and see how we can help develop motor skills using scissors. Okay, so here we go. We have some scissors here. And as you can see, these scissors are designed for small hands, small children. Pre-K, early ed, pre-K, kindergarten children, they all begin with these scissors. So these are beginner scissors, child size scissors. And what's unique about these scissors is that, as you can see in the handle, they're not equal as you would find in a normal pair of scissors, where both loops and spaces are about the same size. For the child size scissors, they're very uniquely made because for the purpose of giving guidance to cutting correctly when cutting through paper. You always want to have your hands in the correct position. Whereas thumb up, the thumb goes through the small hole while the rest of the fingers going through the larger opening. So as a thumb of rule, we put our thumb in the small hole and the rest of the fingers go in the larger opening. Now, of course, this may look very awkward because I'm an adult and these scissors are not designed for adult hands, they're designed for children. But they're still, they're still functional even if a person of my size can use it. So, as we say, the thumb goes in at the small hole and the fingers go in the larger section. And the basic function of the scissors when you hold it is that all the control is in the thumb. See? I'm not using this part. Your fingers, the purpose for this larger section is just so that your fingers can stabilize and hold the scissors. But all the work comes out the thumb. And the thumb is always at the top. So as you can see here, the thumb is in the top, and the fingers at the bottom. Another thing to mention is that the thumb does all the work. When the thumb goes up, the scissors open up. When the thumb goes down, the scissors cut. So that is the purpose and that's the function of the scissors. Thumb up, scissors open. Thumb goes down, that's where you get your cut. And after you cut, you open back up by raising up your thumb, and then you move your scissors up forward. Whichever the pattern, the pattern of the lines may be that you're cutting on, you always want to move your scissors forward after you open it, and then your thumb goes down and you cut again. And now I would demonstrate how to use your scissors correctly. So when you enter the paper, you open your scissors and you find your line and your thumb goes down. After you cut, open back up, move your scissors up, stay on that line and pattern, and the thumb goes down, the scissors cut. Open up your thumb, open up the scissors. Move your scissors up, you stay on the line, and the thumb goes down and cuts. See? Open up, move up, thumb goes down, and the scissors cut. Thumb goes up, move scissors up, move scissors forward, and keep on cutting. All in the thumb, all the way to the top. Now, we're going to do a zigzag pattern. Now, the very important purpose of this is that when you cut, you also have to move your paper into position in order to get the correct position of cutting. So, as I demonstrate here, I'm going to cut, open up, move it up, cut again, up to the line, up to where it stops. Then I turn my paper. See how I turn my paper? Now the scissors cut down on the line again. And we're going to do another snip all the way to the point. Then we're going to turn our paper again, and we're going to continue to cut. Cut down, open up, move up again just to the line, cut down, open up, move, redirect your paper, and then you stay on that same line, you follow the line, cut down, stay on the line, open up again, snip, then you turn your paper. So you got to turn your paper when you hold it. And then you cut on that line again, open up to the point, cut down, open up. We're going to redirect that paper one more time. Find your place. The scissors are open. You line it up with the line. You align it with the line, and you cut. And there you go. You cut a pattern. Okay, so that was the first portion of our series of cutting. We're learning how to cut with our scissors. All the magic is in the thumb. See, my thumb does all the work where my fingers hold. And once you cut, you move up, and then you cut again. So open up, go to the paper, cut, move, cut, and stay in place, and then open up, move up, cut again. Open up, move up, cut again. So that's the pattern of how we cut lines and other patterns. So this is the beginning. I'll be demonstrating other videos on how to cut certain shapes. Okay, so I hope that this was helpful, and yeah, we're just here to help to develop your motor skills. So take care.